Hey everyone, it's Lisa from the Barnyard Chicken, and I just wanted to share my Dollar Tree haul. I got lots of little goodies, and the first thing I got was these Bragg Book photo album thingies, and they hold 48 4x6 pictures, and there is your product code. I believe they all have the same product code. I didn't check all of them, but I got like 6 of these, 5 of these, and here's another one. And here's your product code. And I also got these two in the package, and I only got these in the package to see if they were a different quality. I haven't checked them out yet, but there's your product code. And they also hold 48 4x6 pictures. I think they're just the same, but I just went ahead and got 2 of these. They had lots of them. Anyway, I got these really cool crazy straws. And there is your product code. They're plastic. They're a hard plastic, so I think they'll last a long time. Pretty thick. And I got these Jesus fish. There's 14. It's a wall border. And there's your product code. And I have a project for those. I got these, these are white round labels. There's your product code. And I also got these reinforcers for your for the little holes that you punch. And there's your product code. And I got this liquid adhesive. I've never used it before, but it was $1, so I thought I would try it. And there's your product code. And I also got these paper straws, and I was really looking for paper straws, and they had a whole bunch of paper straws, but these are the only ones that were, I'm going to say generic. The rest were more patriotic. They were stars, and they had red ones and white ones and blue ones, but these were generic, just stripes, so I just got one package. I mean, actually, this was the only package like this, so the rest of them were stars. And I got these really cool So Blessed tablets. They have a magnet on them so you can hang them on the refrigerator. And here's your product code. And these here are Sweet Life. They're the same. And here's your product code. And I got these really cool stickers. I got 5 of each. And they are dimensional. And here is your product code for the hearts. And for the loved ones, here is your product code. Well, I did this last night and it worked really well, but now that it's daylight, I have lots of glare. Product code. These here are coffee and tea time ones, and these are just little birds and flowers. And here's your product code. And I got this one washi type tape. This is actually the only one they had. There wasn't any duplicates or any other ones. And here is your product code. And I just got some generic glue sticks. And I got this shoe polish. It's brown and black, and Here's your product code. And I heard that you could do some really cool distressing with this. So I'm going to go on YouTube and find the video. And these are really cool. They are sticker flags. And there's your product code. I just really thought they were nice and bright and colorful. And I would have gotten a lot more, but I got so much other stuff. I mean, I got a ton of these straws and 5 of each of these, and I got 4 of each of these, and then I just got 4 of the composition books. And there's your product code, but these are just the generic ones they have all the time. And I got the baker's string, and there's your product code. They had different types, but I just got this one for now. And I got these really cool coloring books. I got Wildlife. I don't really know what this one's called. Fish, I guess. And the Flower Power. I really like this one. And the Exotic Impressions. And they had a ton of each of these. And then they had 5 or 6 other different ones. They did have another one with wildlife on it, but I really didn't care for it. And then the other ones, they had like Kaleidoscope, and then they had a henna one, and they had 3 or 4 other ones. I don't remember the names of them, but here's your product code. But they had a similar theme. They were mostly just like this one with, they mostly had patterns exactly like this. So, only got this one. And the flower ones. Look, there's a little raccoon. So this, I love the sunflower. So when you're doing this with one hand, it's hard to share. And oh yes, I like this one. And so I don't know if I told you, but there is your product code. Okay, and then we have the fish. Oh, there's a whale. Turtle. Oh yeah, this one's pretty. Anyway, they have a really neat octopus legs in here, which now I can't find. And we could be here all day. So that's a really pretty whale. Oh, there they are. I just love these tentacles. Okay, moving right along. And obviously I love the owl. So flipping through them doesn't really give you... Oh, look at the chicken. Okay, then. And here is the product code. And the product code for the fish. And the product code for the sunflowers, which is called Flower Power. And then I got these really cute little spoons. I have a project for them. And here's your product code. And then I just got these hair accessories. I have a plan for them. And I got this shelf paper. It's clear. And I got all these ribbons. I got 2 peach, a gray, 2 light yellows, a dark yellow, a dark green, and a dark pink. And your product code for the pink one. These are all sheer. These are sheer ribbon, and they actually had all kinds of ribbon, regular ribbon, goat grain ribbon. That was green. This one's yellow, dark yellow. Oh, crap. These are, like I said, 6 yards. There's 6 yards, sheer ribbon. This is the light yellow, and there's your product code. And this is the gray. And there's your product code. And last but not least is the peach. And there is your product code.